All right, some news just coming in. Indian citizens in Bangladesh have been advised to avoid travel and minimize their movement outside the premises they are residing at. And this is coming amid a nationwide strike against the government's job quota system. In case of any urgency or need for assistance, the Indian residents in Bangladesh have been urged to reach out to the High Commission and the Assistant High Commissions at 24-hour emergency numbers. And to get us the latest, our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal is joining us live. Siddhant, what is the latest you have for us?
Well, this is significant. India usually doesn't issue advisories. It only issues advisories when it thinks that the situation can get out of control or the situation is out of control. Now, I can cite you recent examples like in Ukraine in 2022 or whether it's South Sudan. India was quick to issue advisory because it saw situation getting worse. Now, essentially, we know what's happening in Bangladesh. There have been protests happening in Bangladesh, the quota protest, as it's being said, given that there is demand of abolition of quotas, 30% quotas in institutions for the children of those people who fought during the Bangladesh war of liberation. Now, there has been opposition to that, and we know that places like the University of Dhaka has become centers of these protests and, of course, actions by the police as well. Now, there have been reports of death, and the Bangladeshi Prime Minister has said that it will take action, the government will take action against those who indulge in violence and led to these deaths. Now, essentially, India, of course, is monitoring the situation. India, of course, is a close partner of Bangladesh and is going to make sure that when it comes to its nationals, there is safety. So what India has done is, in its advisory, the Indian High Commission has asked the Indian nationals to avoid travel, minimize their movement outside their premises, and has issued emergency numbers. Now, these emergency numbers are active for 24/7, and these emergency numbers are not just for Dhaka, the national capital, but also for Chittagong, Rajshahi, Khulna, and other places as well. In fact, all the Indian High Commissioners, the 4 Indian Assistant High Commissioners, and the High Commission have issued the advisory. So essentially, there is much concern for New Delhi, and New Delhi is making sure that the situation does not spirals off, and if it spirals off, there is an advisory for its nationals.
All right, Siddhant, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.